Looking like about 130. What's up, everybody? Jason here with Car Smart TV, and we looking into another gas Ezgo TXT that come in here running just absolutely like garbage, skipping really bad. So I'm gonna take you through the process of what I do to kind of determine what's going on here, and we're gonna take you through the whole process. No matter what we find wrong, you'll get to see it from start to beginning, start to end. How about that? Like I said, it's a 295, and first thing I'm gonna do is check and see if I got good spark on the spark plugs. Plug number one. We're good there. That spark plug wasn't even tight. Be alright. Plug two. Alright, looks like we got good spark. Start out on the driver's side cylinder here. Looking like about 130 on the driver's side, which is good. And we're going to move to the passenger side cylinder. See what happens. Ah, look at there. Look at there. No compression. Let's try it again. Okay, so at this point, there's no need to go on to the next step, but if I would have had compression on both cylinders right here, I would have moved on to checking the valve lash, seeing how that was doing spec wise, and then tried it again. And if I ended up still having an issue of it running pretty poorly, at that point I would have went ahead and checked to see what the fuel flow was like coming from the fuel pump. But in this circumstance, we're going to be pulling this motor out and getting it on our bench and tearing it apart. So stick around, guys. Alright, let's get this tore apart. Again, here we have valve issues. Alright, so check this out. That's the edge of the valve. Another pretty bad one here. There's another one, pretty much just wore slap out. as always, we thank you for your subscriptions. Hit that bell for any new videos that's getting ready to come out. Questions and comments, feel free to leave them, please. And you guys have such a blessed day. Thanks a lot, guys. We're out.